Biscuits!
Yeah, those didn't last very long.
Welcome to Katie's Crafts. For this one, you're going to need this stuff. Okay, so today, we're going to be making some bats, and excuse the water in the background, we're washing stuff. So, we're going to be making a bat. So what you're going to need, you're going to need black card. We got two types here, glittery and non-glittery. You're going to need, what's this called? It's called a bog roll. And that's spell language. TP holder thing. Inside of a thing. Paintbrush, and this thing. I wanted to use this thing because I found it. I don't know what it is, but I found it. And wiggly eyes.
Aren't they googly eyes?
Well, maybe googly eyes trademarked. I don't know. We got 3 different sizes here. And here's my special guest.
Maddie, hello. Hello.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So you're going to want to tie your hair back and make sure you're painting somewhere where you're not going to get in trouble if you spill it. No grims. Yay! Okay, so first of all,
Where's the black paint gone?
it's here.
Okay.
Right here. You're going to want to paint your roll. So,
You said roll.
we're going to get started on that. So, you want to paint it.
I want to go. I've got my paintbrush and you said airbrush. Got it. Oh dear, dropped it.
Here, use this one. Wait, let me see. You want to dip it in the paint. Maddie, hold it. Maddie, be careful. Don't get the paint on your face. It won't wash off. And you're going to want to get the thing and paint it. We'll come back when we've done a little bit more. Okay. So first of all, it's a day or so later. Yeah. We let that dry. I painted it all. And we upgraded our paint. What?
We let it dry for a bit too long.
That's fine. You didn't want to do it, so we didn't do it.
No, we do other things.
So, these newspapers were obviously needing, because I got it a little bit everywhere. So, they're from, where are they from, Maddie? Cornwall, yeah. Our owner's father went away and gone from his travels. So we're using those, because I don't know why I brought back newspapers, but he did.
And we have to get rid of them somehow.
Yeah. So we're using them to paint on. I mean paint over. So now we've got some of these. Maddie, stop fiddling with wherever you're fiddling with. Get in there. Stand up. Stand up. Okay. So I'm going to paint some more of these, and Maddie's going to show you what you can do if you don't have paint. Maddie, take it away.
So you put it there, and you get some black card, and you cut it to the right size. Oh dear, the dog's going a bit mad. So basically you leave a... Excuse us. Okay, so, I'm not sure what Kitty's doing, but I have stuck on the cardboard. But make sure you don't use tape that's too wide, because this bit was too wide. Kitty, what are you doing?
I am constructing the wing for the bat. So what we have is a wing here, and it's on tracing paper so I can put it on the card and do multiple copies, and here is a tab so you can attach it to the bat.
Clever.
So I'm going to trace that and cut some out.
Cool.
Fly away, kitty, be free, be free. Okay, these wings don't actually work. Ow.
Yay!
Ugh. So we cut out a bunch of wings, and yeah, we got regular black card, and we got glittery black card. Only we realized that it's only covered one side, so we'll use these, and you can, if you want to, you can paint the white side or cover it with card.
Yeah, why did we do that?
Well, no, because it's just going to look better from the front anyway. So we're just going to put the eyes on the front bit, and so the next step is to get your covered roll. It's right here. Ugh. And then you need to press down one side and press down the other.
That was why I used Hexas card, so that it looked like that, so it would look like that when you bent it.
And then that gives you the bat shape. So I'm just gonna stick that down and get it stuck down. What? Well, this is a little messy on the top. These ones stay down. This one's got like extra weight and stuff, so it won't. So now we're just gonna apply. We're gonna try 2 different sizes of eyes. We got these, and we got these. We're not gonna bother with the tiny ones. And then we gotta attach the wings.
Ow.
So we're gonna go ahead and do that. Ta-da! We did it! Ugh, let me pick it up. We just need to put a mouth on it.
Yeah, unfortunately the eyes were not didn't have sticky back things.
Yeah.
So we had to use the double-sided sticky tape, but that was okay.
And it looks seriously good. We're just gonna do the rest off camera. So
Yeah. Wait, what are we gonna do about the smile?
we're gonna either cut it out paper or paint it on, and that's what you can do. Or you can just leave it like this because it looks cute like this.
Yeah.
So,
See that in
thanks
Kitty's Halloween party.
for watching.
Thanks for watching. Like
Join
and
us
subscribe.
next time.
Bye.
Bye.